The Jon E. Krupnick Award was established to honor a trial lawyer champion, a trial lawyer whose efforts on behalf of a particular client reflect relentless commitment, perseverance, and fortitude to seek justice and achieve success through all obstacles and legal roadblocks which have been encountered.
The background of the case goes all the way back to 2003 when the Florida legislature decided that attorneys did not need to be paid reasonable fees for their efforts in workers' compensation cases.
This was a case where Mr. Castellanos, who was injured, was represented by these gentlemen, and they put in untold hours representing him with very little chance of receiving compensation.
Through the efforts of these three attorneys that we're here for today, the Florida Supreme Court decided that the legislature had erred in a constitutional fashion, and that attorneys were indeed entitled to reasonable fees for their efforts.
I've worked with 2 out of the 3 very closely now for a number of years here at Florida Workers Advocates, and just have been extremely impressed with their tenacity in pursuing whatever issue they might be dealing with at a given time. Richard Sicking, who argued the case, is a towering legal mind, and I was extremely impressed with his ability to deal with the very piercing questions the members of the court presented to him.
Dick Sicking is an iconic workers' compensation attorney. Dick's been litigating workers' compensation since before Moses brought the Israelites out of Egypt.
Mark is a person that initially you could tend to underestimate, and his success in this is a great credit to him and to the legal profession.
Mark Touby has a passion, a commitment. He is a thoughtful individual, very much like Wayne Hogan, who listens to all sides and then makes a decision.
I've worked shoulder to shoulder with Richard Chait. He has fought many battles in the legislature going back a number of years and has been one of the strongest natural leaders in our organization.
He's got passion, he's got commitment, all bordering on obsession, very much like Gary Farmer.
These attorneys are dedicated to the cause of injured workers, and they are tenacious. They don't give up easily, and their success is a real tribute to that ethic, that work ethic, hard work, tenacity, and their commitment to the cause of injured workers.